So this is a question that a lot of kids in the university, those who are studying, have. There was a time when I was spending most of my time in Hanoi conducting training. Many of my students came through an English center, and they were mostly undergraduates. And the problem I realized was that most of them didn't want to finish university. They are in university, but they absent themselves from university and they are doing many other things. Very sad. I don't know what is going on in Vietnam. In Singapore, to go to university is difficult because there are only 3 universities and some private ones. And so it is difficult for someone to get into university, and to go study overseas is very expensive. So here we have you in university. You can go to university. You are in university, but you don't like to be there. Okay, I understand that you may be studying something that you don't want to study. Maybe you wanted to study something, but your parents told you to study something else that they thought was good for you. Or maybe you wanted to go to university to study something, but your grades in school was not good enough, and so you had to just do whatever. Okay? So now you are stuck somewhere, don't like what you're learning, but should you finish it or get out? That's the question. This is the dilemma where most university students in Vietnam, probably the world, are, including Singapore, I bet for sure. And so now let me guide you through this. Not everybody can go to university. The point is, you are a special few. Think about that. Not everybody in any country can go to university. You made it. So that is point number 1, very important. Okay? And your parents could be paying money for you to be in university. Okay? Or maybe you are paying money to keep yourself in university. I don't know what it is. But somebody is paying money for you to start and finish university. That's number 2. You got to be grateful for that. Very grateful for that. Not everybody can afford it, okay? Somebody is paying your way. Now, the next thing is this. When you graduate, you look at people. To say that you are a university graduate is something much higher than someone who is not a university graduate. Anywhere in the world, you could be Vietnamese, going to Canada, apply for a job, and you say, I am a graduate. Okay, I've got a degree in something. Boom, you are up there already. Although you may not speak the language so well, people look at you with respect already. Okay, because the world is made like that. And you are right to say that is, yes, it's important to have a degree, not only in Vietnam, anywhere in the world. So that's number 3. It is very important to have a degree. Now, what you study in the university, you may think you're wasting your time. No, it's an attitude you have because you don't like being there. You don't value those who are supporting you to be there. That's why you are lost right now. Okay? And that cannot be the reason why you want to get out of university. What will you do when you get out of university? Go work somewhere? Who's going to pay you what you want when you are nobody? So you have one ticket, okay? You have one ticket. You get that ticket, you graduate, you come out, you will definitely be paid more than someone who is not having a university degree. You understand that, okay? Very simple. If you can understand that, then what you want to do is, because you appreciate your opportunity, you appreciate your parents, you appreciate the result that comes after having a degree, you will now change your attitude, okay, and switch yourself on, okay, and study. You never know what you study is going to be useful in the future. You don't know. Because right now you're studying something. Just focus, head down and study and go deep and understand it. Because when it comes to knowledge, there is no knowledge that is useless. Oi, listen. There is no knowledge that is useless. Engineering is required in business. Engineering is required in business. IT is required in engineering. Everything is interchangeable. Listen. So you got to grow up as a human being and understand, take the opportunity, dig deep, and just focus and do well and make a commitment to yourself to research more than what your university is teaching you about what you're doing. And maybe you want to find the time to go research something else too. You want to become a learning machine, because now's the time for you to be that learning machine, because it's your opportunity, your time in life from 17 years old to 22 years old or something like that. So this is where you feel proud to be where you are and develop yourself and get good at whatever you're doing, get the grades, and after that, then you start thinking how you can apply all this. Because I got people here, all of them are gone to university already. They are behind a camera. What are they doing behind a camera? Just being a cameraman. No, you can do anything. These guys can do anything. If I ask them to do it, they will do it. They can climb mountains. They can do all kinds of things. So this is crazy. So remember this. Don't just value yourself based on what you're learning right now. Just go deeper. And when you understand it, you will realize you can use it in any aspect of life, or you may use it as a professional from that degree that you are going to qualify from. Think about that. So appreciate what you have. Love what you have. Love your parents. Do something for somebody. For once in your life, do something for somebody. You are not this world, okay? Always do something for somebody, especially your parents. Make somebody proud. And one day, the world will be proud of you. Thank you.